Make this, you're going to need a bottle of water, vinegar, and luckily my friend was kind enough to bring me a whole jug of vinegar, baking soda, and tissue. Start by pouring your vinegar into the bottle like this. Next, take your Coca-Cola, baking soda, and pour this on the sheet like so. Take your sheet, fold it on all four, just kind of make it into a ball and make it as skinny as possible because it needs to fit through the lip of the bottle. Once you've got it to the point where it can fit in the bottle, hopefully you need to have your cap ready because once this thing falls, you need to be ready for it. Like now. Oh, my Coke. There we go. Tighten it up, shake it up, and your bottle is going to start to become hard because of the air pressure. Then, after it becomes really hard, like I can't even squeeze it, it's so hard. Keep shaking it a little bit more, and then I can't even explain to you how fun that was. It was a very rainy day, and my phone was tasked with picking up the rain, which it wasn't supposed to. Of course, we don't want that, but it had to pick up the noise in the rain and the bottle, but I can't explain how loud that thing was and how fun it was. I had a fun day at the park, and I got to keep a souvenir. I'm more than likely going to hang this on my wall because me and the guy who was doing it, I'll have his channel linked in the description, but me and the guy who was doing it, our bottle, this is the biggest hole I've ever seen, and that was the loudest thing I've ever heard. But thanks for watching.